What's up guys, welcome back to a new video. In this video we are going to discuss why the CRS score went from 431 to 478 in just 14 days. If you have been tracking CRS score for last couple of rounds, you will know that the CRS score was in the range of 430s and 440s since March, since Corona started, and now the CRS score is going almost 478. So why there is so much increase in CRS score? It used to be around 465, 470 and it even reached 480 once before March 2020, and now in July 2020 it is again in the same range. So let's discuss. The very first point, CRS score is higher in this round of invitation is because now they are giving invitation to all the candidates. So if it's FSW, if it's Canadian Experience Class, or if it's FST, whosoever has more score, he will get invitation. Before this round, only the people who have Canadian experience were getting invitation. But now everyone who has experience from their home country or who has experience out of Canada is getting invitation. So that is the first reason why it went so high, and there are so many people in the pool. And before this round, only the people who had Canadian experience were getting invitation. But now people from Australia, India, Dubai and many other countries, they must be having a lot of experience, say 5 years or even 10 years, and they are also applying for PR. So that's why their points in CRS system is already high and they are getting invitation. The second thing is now people are also getting dates for IELTS examination. Before a couple of weeks, all the IELTS centers were closed. So people weren't getting any of the option to improve their score or to book IELTS dates, and that's why CIC was only giving invitation to Canadian Experience Class or the people who were already in the pool with Canadian experience. The third thing is 6 months from now, I think Corona will be a lot more controlled and the flights will also be opening. So if they start getting invitation now, within 6 months or 6 months after, I think the situation will be a lot more in control and people can come to Canada since the flights will be reopening, and that's why the CRS score is going high. It's because now Canada has started to accept invitation from people out of Canada, and the plan of CIC is to invite more people from out of Canada or the people with good experience, good skills, good points in CRS system, so that they can come here after 6 months and start new life. The last thing is, guys, I don't think now the CRS score will touch the lines of or the range of 430s or even 440s or even 450s, because now it has started to give invitations to everyone. If someone has experience from Canada or if someone has experience from out of Canada, from any other foreign country, because I checked the whole CRS scores in last many previous rounds, and before 4th March 2020 it used to give invitations to everyone irrespective of the streams. So for example, if someone has Canadian experience or someone is eligible for Canadian Experience Class, he is also getting invitation, and if someone has foreign experience without any experience in Canada, or if he has experience from his home country, he was also getting invitation. So now the situation is again getting what it used to be before March 2020, and unless the second wave of Corona comes, the whole country gets into lockdown and there are no more flights running and they have no plans to invite any more people to Canada, the scores will stay in this range. At least the lowest will be within 460 to 470 range. So I hope guys this video was helpful to you. If you have any other questions, feel free to drop in comments, and I will start uploading more and more videos so that you can get as much information as possible regarding Canada. Bye bye, take care, see you in the next video.